Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn the personal pronouns in Russian. If you are ready, let's start.
Я, ты, вы, он, она, оно, мы, они.
If you recognize both
Ты,
and
вы,
means you, the difference
ты,
is always used singular and it is informal. You can use it with your friends, your family, with the people you are close to. On the other hand,
вы,
is plural. It is used when we are referring to more than one person. For example, if I have one best friend, I can tell him,
ты мой лучший друг.
but if I have two best friends, I would say,
Вы мои лучшие друзья.
I hope it's understandable. Secondly, it is used singular formal. You use it with someone you don't know very well or someone you should show respect, like your boss, your teacher, or elder people. So, while addressing to your boss or your teacher, even if it is only one person, you would say
Вы,
instead of.
ты.
So, if it's understandable, let's make a short practice.
Я учитель. Ты врач. Он юрист. Она секретарь. Они футболисты. Мы переводчики. Вы студенты. Вы президент.
Let's repeat the words we learned today once more. Do not forget to repeat them out loud together with us.
Лучший, друг, учитель, врач, юрист, секретарь, футболист, переводчик, студент, президент.
And that's all for today's video. If you want more videos like this, click the like button and make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. See you in the next video.